Ladies and gentlemen, once again I'm Ned from Tech Bits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. Today we're taking a look at Popular Mechanics 1984. Here we see the pilots that are happy they wore their brown pants today. Yeah, wouldn't be Pop Mech if it didn't have cigarettes on the back. Disco. It's really funny, we're in Canada, and a lot of the time the cigarettes you guys had in the States, we didn't have them in Canada. A lot of the advertisements here are relevant to us. Except for the alcohol. We got the alcohol, not the cigarettes, though. Isuzu? I have never heard of an Isuzu. At Isuzu, we claim a tougher on trucks. Tractor Supply and Isuzu, two manufacturers I never knew about. For trucks, I mean. I took one of those across Canada once. It was a lovely time. I was all heartbroken, at the time. Sleeping all the time, except when the mountains came. I woke up for those. New appliances. Hacksaw Reynolds eat quarterbacks for breakfast. That doesn't mean he's not sensitive. Corralling computer clutter. Look at how nice that desk is. It's too organized. We need something more like this. Oldsmobile, what happened to them? They probably got phased into something else, right? Bought up, phased in. That seems to be the whole story back in the 50s. So I'm going through these popular mechanics from multiple different ages. And I'm finding as time goes on, in the 50s you could do more, and in the 90s you could do less, and if you wanted to do anything you had to do it with somebody else's name attached to you. Oh my goodness, a long-range butane lighter makes the magazine. Did I hear wrong? I'm pretty sure that these lanterns have a little bit of radioactive material up in there. Most kids will have no idea at all what this is. I know my boy Sinewave knows what it is. Subaru, man. Oh, I would love one of those. El Camino-like. Buddy be washing his car with a piss jug. Look at that. Whoa. Oh, because of Trailer Park Boys, every time I see one of those filled with anything that looks yellow at all, I keep thinking about piss jugs. So there's this one episode where Ricky and everyone, they knew the perfect place to go to get piss jugs, because they knew the perfect place where all of the truckers would throw their jugs, because it was a perfect place away from the last truck stop, and they would go there and get all the piss jugs for the 25% so that they could be refilled. The Jeep's 4x4 of the year. Should anyone be surprised about that? The Cherokee. Ah, a new type of lawnmower bag. The tea bag, I will call you. This is the 80s. I wonder if her husband's aware that she's on his lawnmower. Nope, he's out with his gay buddy enjoying Alaska. I miss the sensation of putting one of those drives in and out. There's just a smooth transitional feeling that you got with one of those old drives. Oh yeah, America! Frick yeah! We're getting into the ultra 90s looking color paper. Do these guys still exist? I wonder if the lockpicking lawyers mess with any of these things. This woman has boobs. She likes this guy who has real fake hair. You should get real fake hair, and maybe a woman with boobs will like you. Geez, I wish I was wearing a pair of those when I put a nail through my foot the other day. Now I know why boaters hate personal flotation devices. They hide the ladies. The scariest place on earth to drive. This before you found out Highway 401 was a thing. Okay, legit. What? Oh. The smartest home-built robots. I'm flirting with a chick on this phone, but I keep hitting pause on this phone so I don't have to do any edits on it. I can take it all in one take. She's pissed off I'm not texting her, but oh, I gotta read this now, Chuck Balmer, an avatar, greet text. Whoa, man. Okay, so in the 80s, these things were like everywhere, all over the place. It seemed like you could buy them anywhere. It seemed like there were multiple different ranges of them. I never seen them anywhere though. Here they are, some of them anyways. They're like Popular Mechanics makes this look like you could just go to the store and get any of these. Whoa, that thing's a lot bigger than I thought it was if it's holding that size of a book. It kind of looks like a video card. That must be the main motherboard there. That must be the Mobo. Lots of belts to perish. Detection sensor. Record your videos of your family that you will likely lose. Mm-hmm. Excellent recordings of things that you can record over. Magnavox. Man, you can tell they're old when they load from the top, right? Mm-hmm. Oh, nice happy family. I like that. No, they're white. Don't let the SJW see this. They'll be horrified. Oh man, they've been trying to make a smart home forever. Got her hooked up to an Apple IIe. You probably have to be a rocket scientist to figure out how to use this thing. This is the Anova Electronics Master Systems modular unit. Man, that looks pretty cool, but how much does it actually do? Homebrain. They look really cool, but how much do they actually do? Oh, sweet, you can buy escorts in this magazine. Huh. Oh, those were speed radars. Now I know. Make sure y'all buy the good stuff. Does anyone actually get ready for vacations with smiles on their face like that, not fighting or being grumpy? Legitimately? Jeez, imagine fighting a fire way up high with one of those things. That's the truck I know. Oh, Datsun became Nissan. Okay. Okay. Someone in the comments told me that they had to change the name, or they had to figure out a name, so they used Datsun because they were told to come up with a name in like 3 weeks, like that soon. Yeah, it's a bad joke, but still. Anyways, thanks for joining me, guys. Popular Mechanics, 1984. Like, subscribe if you like this stuff. Always appreciate it. I have a playlist where I go through a bunch more of these. I have a huge collection. I love going through these. I love talking to techs who have worked with things in here and can tell me things I don't know. And maybe give a little bit of information about things I know. Anyways, have a good one, folks. Take care of each other, please.